Hey everyone, welcome back to another error video. Are you getting unknown call on your phone but no number is showing? This is not a real call, it is browsing scam. Many Android users are getting fake incoming call from their browser. These calls look like real but actually come from a malicious websites. If you are click answer or allow, your data can be stolen. This happens when we accidentally click allow notification on fake website. These websites misuse browser permission to show call like notification. If you want to fix this problem, then follow the steps. First, go to the browser and click on the three dotted button. Now go to the setting and click on the privacy and security. Click on the delete browsing data. Here you can select all time. Now you can see here site settings 32 websites. If you want to see this list of websites, then long press on the browser and go to the app info. Now click on the notifications. All notification is allow, then you can receive from this type of notification. If you want to close this, then disable this option. If you want to disable a particular website, then allow this and scroll down and go to the site section. Now if you want to close any particular website, then click on this and disable this option. And the second method is go to the setting and click on the app section. Now uninstall the suspicious app that you have to install recently. And the next is again go to the browser and click on three dotted button. Now go to the setting and again go to the privacy and security. Now click on the browser data. Now select all time and clear browser data. After doing this step, restart your mobile. If the problem continues, uninstall a new app like Clear, VPNs or Launcher. Remember, real phone calls never come from browsers. Never click answer, verify or install such pop-ups. If this video helped you, like, share and subscribe and protect others from the online scams.